Hello guys, it's Mazen again. I'm back with a new video. I got my Bitcoin sign right there, and today we are going to analyze the markets after the Fed rate cuts. So I'm gonna give my own analysis of what I think should happen or could happen in the crypto markets in the next few weeks. Plus I'm also give some altcoin picks for you to consider. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. This is for educational purposes only, and I'm not liable of any financial gain or loss that comes from this video. So as you can see, I keep my charts pretty simple. I use support and resistance, and I have my supports here around 108k to 109k Bitcoin, and my resistance at 124k. So far the Bitcoin has been testing the resistance in July, and we tested this again on August, and we tested this again on August, and it looks like we're going back to test it again. So if we break the resistance, there is higher chances that we go even higher with this bull run. So I'm expecting that we can go to even 140k Bitcoin. Of course, none of this is like sure. This is like just like chances that we go higher if the bull run continues. Other way, we could come back again and retest the 109k support level, and if we don't hold this level, it could be really bad for Bitcoin, because the next support level is at 94k to 96k, and if we don't hold that level again, then we're headed to 76k, and it could mark the final of the bull run, and we could enter the bear market. But overall, I think from what the rate cuts have done so far, I think there is still a bullish momentum that is going. Altcoins are reacting positively to that, so I don't think the bull run is done. I think altcoins still didn't get to their fullest potential, and I believe that because, let me show you again. One of the other charts that I'm looking at is the Ethereum charts. So let me show you the Ethereum charts, guys. So the Ethereum charts looks very bullish. We have been able to see that Ethereum has been ranging from the $5,000 to the $4,000, and so far it looks like we're still in a bullish momentum, and Ethereum is going to break the previous resistance. So if Ethereum break this resistance, I'm looking at $7,000 Ethereum, and I'm looking to see altcoins do some crazy gains. Of course, this is also like conditioned by the fact that we continue this bullish momentum. Otherwise, if we come back to retest the $4,000 and we don't hold this support level, it could be really bad for Ethereum. We could see a $3,400 Ethereum, and if we don't hold it too, we could see $2,300 Ethereum, and it could potentially mark the end of the bull run. But overall, I still think that the bull run didn't finish yet, and I still think that because, let me show you other altcoins that I'm looking at. So if we go here, Sui is one project that is very bullish, and I'm really invested on. And I think that because it's a new technology, a new chain, and also it's the first time that we see it experiencing the first bull run. So if we come see this closely, we can see that on January we had seen a Sui at $5.4, which marked its all-time high, and from there it corrected and got us to the previous support at $1.9. At this level, guys, I added more to my back because I thought to myself the bull run is still not finished, so I took some risk here and added to my positions, and I still believe we can break the 4.4 support or resistance level. And if we do break it, I see Sui at 5.3 previous high, and even at higher prices, because this project, as I told you, it has a lot of potential because it's first bull run is this bull run, and I think a lot of people are interested, a lot of institutions are interested, so it could definitely be something that I will keep my eyes on. And as you can see, like, I also have this trend line here that indicates me that overall from the $1.9 we have been going bullishly, or we have been going in a bullish alignment. So I keep my eyes here. But also one thing that I do, and I would advise you to do, is never have only one target in your mind. If you want to sell part by part. So for example, SUI, I sold when it tested the first resistance at 4.3, and then I got like back some money, you know, because you cannot just like tell yourself, oh, okay, I'm gonna wait until it goes back to the all-time high. What if it doesn't? You know, what if it doesn't go back to the previous all-time high? What if it doesn't do what you are expecting it as its highest potential? So always sell, because people who don't sell are the people who are gonna suffer in the bull run. And in general, if you don't sell while you are having profits, you are going to suffer. Even if you think, okay, this is my target, check other targets. When you are in green, bring some profit down, you know, bring some profit, take some profit, take some profit, take some profit. And also when you are going down, reduce your risk. Okay, I know this might sound a little bit unfamiliar to you, but I do that sometimes when I am in trades or I'm investing in coins. I don't necessarily have this blind faith into a coin. No, if I see like the trade is not going well, I reduce my risk, you know, because it doesn't make sense to me like that I keep this faith that we are going to the moon, or all these things that people say about their coins, and I am losing my money and I'm expecting a comeback. No, if there is a trade that is not going well and I'm investing on, I reduce my risk. If we see change, I add to my position. But this is how the smart trader and how the smart investor manage his money, and you should do the same thing, because it's really beneficial, and it has been beneficial to me since 2021 in crypto, and I think this is a great strategy. Let's go over to PEPE. Okay, PEPE is one of the coins that I invested on, and one of the coins that I also talked about in my channel previously and in my Instagram, and it was one of the few coins that I discussed when I started my Instagram page. And as you can see, PEPE has been phenomenal. Okay, we've been to even like 0.4027 to $28, and at this level I sold. You know, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I sold at this level, because you cannot expect a meme coin to be not volatile. You know, meme coins are the most volatile coins among all the coins. You know, among altcoins, all of them, meme coins are the most volatile. And when a meme coin is pumping hard, get your money out. You know, not all of it, of course, do it part by part, but you know, when a meme coin is pumping, it doesn't mean it's gonna be pumping, and it also means that the dump is going to be even higher and even harder. So the pump when happening, take your money out, you know, take your money out. And that's what happened with the PEPE. We pumped so hard to this level here that when we dumped directly to the 0.0504, you know, or 505. So at this level, basically, if you hold your money from 28 to 5, it means you divided your money by 6. So always think about this, like, okay, I'm holding all this position, I should reduce my risk, I should take profit. You know, I always ask myself this question, because you cannot keep going to the moon. There is no moon. Okay, this is crypto, this is risky things. There is no moon in life, there is no moon in crypto. All these communities that they are talking about the moon, they are talking about like a crazy target. Don't listen to them. You are here to make money, you are here to buy and sell when there is profit. Okay, so let me show you the PEPE charts here. So at this level, this was a critical level, because this level, if it didn't hold, we have been like we were headed to even lower levels in PEPE. Okay, so once I saw that this level kind of like bounced, I added more to my position, and I'm still holding PEPE, but I think I will still sell some parts here around this level, and it could go even higher to 0.028, its previous all-time high. And also I think PEPE still has like one of the greatest potential, because it is its first bull run, okay, and it's a meme coin. So once we see like more momentum going on, I expect a lot more from PEPE, and I'm still trading it, and I'm still investing in it, and I'm still have future trades open. So I keep this in mind when I am invested in these coins. The next coins, guys, is TON. TON is one of the project that I'm expecting a lot from, but so far I'm kind of disappointed. Okay, I'm kind of disappointed because the price analysis is not something that is reflecting the potential of the project, and I think if we don't see some kind of bounce here, I'm not sure why is it happening, you know, because all the factors of TON going higher are there. Okay, we have a big platform, we have big projects hosting their projects in Telegram, we have like infrastructure, we have like all the factors that you see and you think to yourself, this project is actually good. But so far I feel like it didn't yet get to its potential, because the altcoin season still didn't give it its merit, and still didn't really like start, and for us to see like all the altcoins pumping hard. So for me, I'm still investing heavily in TON. I'm still looking at it as something that could potentially go back to its previous all-time high, $7, and I see also like having it even a higher potential, but I don't let my emotion control me. The price analysis, if you see right here, has been rude for TON. We can see like this is not all the charts here, because it's a future chart, but overall, if you can see, like we have been holding the $3 level, and we look like we are going to go back to the $3.2 level. So if we break this level, I'm expecting that we come back around $3.5 and then go to $3.7 and previous all-time high. But it all depends about the momentum and how hard we are going to break the resistance, and if we do break it or not. Otherwise, if we don't break the resistance and if we go back to the support level and we don't hold the support level, I'm de-risking, I'm selling my position, because I cannot risk my money on something that didn't prove itself. And if we go back to $3, I'm gonna start thinking about adding to my position. And this is what I think has been beneficial to me over the years, that I see something and I think about myself and I say, okay, it's not going well, what could we do? It's going well, what should we do now? You know, like be someone that check the charts and take a decision that is reasonable. Okay, and so far I've been sharing all my trades and all these thoughts and all the updates on the 100 Discord group, and the 100 is where not only me share my knowledge in trading and crypto trading, but also other members. So far since we started the group, it has been beneficial to me and other people, and you can be joining us. So if you want to do that, there is a link below that will allow you to try for free for 7 days. But other than that, I see like this analysis as complete as I want it to be. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.